channel. If you're new, my name is Breonna Queen. I like to focus on easy beginner makeup tutorials as well as inexpensive ones, and occasionally just a regular beat. So you guys, this is the look I came up with today. I really wanted something a little different, a little slayish, a little cutish, a little, you know, queenish. If you guys are interested in this look, hope you will continue to watch. Also, I started a podcast. The podcast is called Profits, Passion, and Purpose. It's going to be all about business. Don't worry, you guys. This YouTube channel is all about beauty and lifestyle, but my podcast is going to be all about business because I have been able to make a lot of money online. And I've also helped businesses, small and large, maximize their online brand as well as their online profit. I have all that great stuff down below. Now let's get to the tutorial.
So I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my cut crease. I'm going to be honest, I'm not that great at cut creases. One eye usually looks really amazing and then the other eye looks crappy and it's uneven. So here's a great hack to get even cut crease both eyes. I'm just going to carve out where my eyeshadow is going to be and where my cut crease is going to be. So after I have my eyeliner pencil where my crease is, I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with my eyeshadow base. Then I'm going to take an orange shadow from the Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to blend out that eyeliner pencil that had like the cut crease line. Now I'm taking the Huda Beauty palette and the gold eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my lid. And now I'm taking the brown shadow from the Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to go ahead and really define my crease. And then I'm taking some black eyeshadow from that same palette. This is what's really going to amplify it. I'm applying that to my outer V. And I am using small circular motions. And it's really going to blend out the eyeshadows. Now these are some eyelashes I got from AliExpress. Like some really cheapy cheap generic lashes. So I don't really have like the details on these. Now I'm taking this gorgeous eyeshadow pigment that's so pretty off camera, it's like iridescent, and I'm packing that on my lid. It looks gorgeous when the light hits it because it's just like bling bling. Here's another hack. If you're playing with glitter, if you're playing with eyeshadow pigments, use tape to get that glitter off your face. It's gonna work a lot better than baby wipes or a washcloth. And I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. I'm using Black Opal foundation. Just to let you guys know, all products will be listed down below. Everything I use, besides those generic lashes from AliExpress, everything I use is going to be listed down below, as well as the videos, like how I apply foundation, how I apply concealer. I have all those videos down below. So if you feel like this video is a little rushed, you can like watch those videos for reference. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to thumbs up, like, comment, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Mwah. Love ya. Bye.